Aries, if life feels boring, irritating, or strangely heavy right now, then this video is for you. And no, you're not lazy, unmotivated, or emotionally broken. In Vedic astrology, Aries only feels lost when they stop moving in the direction that they're meant to go in. Your sun sign is ruled by Mars, and Mars does not wait, sit quietly, or even overthink. Mars just moves and acts quickly. So, when an Aries feels restless, confused, or blocked, it usually just means one thing, that you have slowed yourself down to fit into a life that no longer matches your true nature. This episode is one of my Vedic astrology advice series where I break down how each Vedic sun sign can realign with their one true path. We are starting with Aries because Aries alignment is the easiest to understand and the fastest to fix. Let me show you how. First, practical advice. Stop waiting to feel ready. Here is the truth that Aries need to hear. You were never meant to feel ready before you act. If you are waiting for clarity, confidence, or perfect timing, you are already out of alignment. For Aries, clarity comes after the moment and not before it. The moment you take action, your mind catches up. No longer waits and feels restless for you to act. It no longer feels irritated. So, if there is something that you keep delaying, then just understand this right now that the delay itself is the block in your life. So, stop waiting to feel ready and just take the plunge. Second practical advice, move your body every day. And this part is absolutely non negotiable for Aries. In Vedic astrology, Mars rules the physical body, which means if your body stays inactive, your emotions turn sharp, impatient, and heavy. Aries does not process emotions by sitting and thinking. Aries processes emotion through movement. When you move your body regularly, your mind automatically feels lighter. When you do not, everything starts feeling annoying for absolutely no reason. If you are an Aries who's been feeling emotionally off, ask yourself just one honest question. How much have I actually been moving lately? Practical advice number 3. Stop slowing yourself down for other people. Aries loses alignment the fastest when they constantly adjust their pace for other people. You explain yourself too much. You wait for people to catch up. You second guess your own instincts that were right the first time. You are not impulsive, you are just instinctive. So, when you trust that inner push and you move with it, your confidence stays strong. And when you ignore it, self doubt quietly creeps in. Alignment comes when you stop apologizing for moving fast and allow other people to catch up to you. Practical advice number 4. Use anger as a direction and not destruction. Aries anger is not random, it is basically just information. Aries anger provides information because it shows you where your energy wants to go but is currently not able to. When Aries ignores their anger, it leaks out as impatience, arguments, and burnout. When Aries listens to their anger, that same energy can turn into leadership and creation. Instead of asking, why am I so angry? Ask yourself something way more useful. Where does this energy want to move? What is this anger trying to tell me? That single question can completely realign your true path. Practical advice number 5. Do one brave thing every day. Aries stays aligned through courage and not comfort. The moment life becomes too safe, too predictable, or too repetitive, your inner fire dims. And when your fire dims, motivation disappears from your life. You don't need any dramatic changes, you just need consistent bravery. One bold action every day keeps your Mars energy alive. Speak up, decide faster, take the step you've been avoiding. Apply for that job, start that company, or say that statement that you've been waiting to say to that particular person. This is how Aries stays on their path, by being brave every day. Aries was never meant to feel calm first and act later. Instead, they must act first and then only the clarity will follow them. I'm that cosmic guide, and if you are ready to explore your cosmic blueprint with me, then make sure to join this channel. Let's understand ourselves better. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.